my new Clip On Veneers, which are absolutely fantastic. I'd just like you to know that the only reason why I got in touch with you, I did read up about you and you got absolutely fantastic reviews, but after struggling with crowns and bridges and then a failed bridge, I finished up with teeth like this. And I had to wear a plate. But after getting in touch with you and going through the full process, it was absolutely fantastic, really fast. But this is the reason why. Horrible chipped bottom teeth and 3 missing teeth at top. And this is the finished product. I went for top and bottom, and they're absolutely fantastic, comfortable. I can't really tell that they're in, but absolutely fantastic. So all I've got to say is thank you very much. I'm an happy man with a big smile.